Not seeing anything except Fords and Lincolns. Surprise. Oh, wait. I think I found it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of SlavGarage. We're doing another POV drive, but today doing something a little different. We're actually heading over to the dealer that I think has my car. It's supposed to be in town today. Only reason I'm not getting it yet is because it has to go through inspection and the paperwork has to get back to me. But I kind of want to see if I could find it, since we only have one Lithia location in this area at least. So I'm curious if I could see it there. Hopefully it is there, so I can kind of check it out, because I haven't seen it in person yet. But yeah, anyway, heading over there right now. Hopefully the night POV isn't too bad. iPhone cameras aren't always too good at night, but it seems to be fine right now. What in the Bronco is this? Why would you get white? The grill, red. Blech. I haven't been to this one. Let's drive around the front. Is that an actual thing? What does the white grill, red letters on a Ford Bronco mean? Is that like some sort of special edition? It's like the ugly package. They have some lightnings here. Also ugly. Mach-E. I mean, at least get a Mach-E if you want an electric Ford. Oh, look at this Raptor. This thing's kind of sick. And the whole service bay lined up with Raptors. I'm not seeing anything except Fords and Lincolns. Surprise. Oh, wait. I think I found it. Yep, that's it. The car is this one, I'm pretty sure. Yep, I'm pretty sure this is it. Yep, this is the one. Seattle, BMW. There we go. Already sold. This is it, boys. These wheels actually don't look that bad in person. These are the M Performance wheels, as you can see. Car's a little dirty because rain. Look at that 340i. Got this stainless exhaust tips. I don't think you got the performance exhaust. No, it doesn't look like it. X-Drive. Oh, it has the keys right here. Dang. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, shoot. And these brakes are massive, dude. I didn't think about that. But yeah, there we go. These headlights, super sick. Dang, it looks even better in person. It's a giant sunroof, moonroof up here. Look at that.